This guy. That would be a good jump, actually.
Okay.
I said that would be a good jump, actually.
So I get off?
It's actually smooth as shit going up that.
Here, hop off for a sec. Yeah, I'll hit it once.
That's actually smooth as fuck.
That is really smooth.
Corner jump it, eh? Is that the corner?
I don't ever jump on angles, but I'll try it. Condom. I don't know if I want to do this on the corner. I think he wants me to come in right here. Yeah, he does. That corner is actually a pretty good spot. But I need a straight rut to it.
Not bad.
That's a good jump. That's actually a really good jump. Mine's quiet. Mine's just like, oh. Pardon?
We're more in the middle and do a box jump type thing.
Do box jump type thing?
Yeah, in the middle. Yeah, it'll look so good.
Up there more.
Yeah, yeah. Do like
Just
a
a
box
little
jump.
bit on an angle though.
Yeah.
You'll be good if you just lean the
Like
weight
jump
of your
in or
legs.
jump out?
Like jump, like go into it, but like bring
I
your
mean,
front
you'll
end
be
up
able
and
to
then do
jump
like
the
a box
platform
jump.
right at the
It'll
top.
show like you get way more air type.
I can try, but that's hard because you got to pin throttle, pop up, and then lean forward.
That's how I'm feeling. That's weird.
That's hard. Yeah? Holy fuck! What? Buddy, what? Way over the back end. You need to go over the front of the bars. Buddy, I thought you were gonna go backwards.
That box jump looks 10 times better though.
Yeah?
That's how I just did it. Gotta lean forward a little bit more.
Yeah?
Not bad at all.
I still want to see what air I'm getting. Oh, let me take the bag off too.
Fair enough.
That's what I did. I put my bag to the side.
That'll probably help.
I can feel it flopping
I
around
don't
on
think
me.
anybody cares right now.
No. Right here is one of the spots where no one's gonna care. We're not doing anything. We're not tearing up grass, we're just jumping. I feel more free without the bag. I can get more air.
Go more in the middle though. Get more air.
Yeah? Go where Tyler is? That one I got more air. I can feel that. I felt that one.
That's where I was sending it.
I felt that one. I like that one there.
Hell yeah, buddy.
That one felt like it came up pretty high.
No, that's really good. You'll be able to see them better when we get home though.
Yeah. That doesn't even feel like much of a jump on these type of bikes. I like
We
it.
do like every
You want
jump
to try
out,
this
like-
one on a little part of it?
I'm scared on that one because I'm not used to the balance of jumping that. Like, I don't know to lean forward or lean back. Like, that one's different. Because this one I got to lean way up here.
I gotta kind of pop this one like,
Yeah, that would throw me off. I would probably throw it on an endo or something.
but that's why you just see me go up like that.
Yeah, see, I'd hit that way backwards.
I was trying to see how tall I could send it right there.
Yeah.
And if I was at the skate park, I would have just
Nah, he doesn't care. He was loving the.
I think he was having a good time.
No,
I
he was.
think he was like, holy shit. These kids are actually urban jumping.
I know. It's that one, buddies. I didn't want to have heat stroke today.
What do you say?
He said road rash sucks and brain damage sucks.
That would, yeah. Helmets are needed.
I already got low.
I don't give a shit. I love that shit, but
Fair enough.
Fair. I gotta pick up mine back.
I'd be running inside.
I saw nothing.
I didn't see anything.
That's all right, buddy.
That guy's sick.
No, that's fine. Like he was enjoying the shit out of it.
I think he was enjoying the show.
Yeah, you got some big trips though.
Oh, fuck yeah. That felt like a good jump. I'm coming back there.
Definitely.
I just felt the rubber get launched at my foot. Stinky.
You're welcome.
Stinky.
Yeah, you're welcome for that one.
Alright, you're welcome. It's weird, eh?
She slammed on her brake too.
Yeah, you're gonna scare people.
I like to.
What did he just throw? A leaf. That guy knows the drill. Just go on the sidewalk and hop over.
That's worse than a damn fucking pile on an 80 in the damn car.
Oh yeah, buddy, blocking the whole fucking way. Right in the main road. You gonna see the smoke cloud going that way?
I smell it.
I smell it. Ooh. We're going 15 and it's still coming up. That's pretty good power. We're going 15 right now.
Oh my. Your seat, bro.
I know, bro.
You just see if it'll pop up when you stand on the back of it. I'd like to tell you about your extended car warranty.
This is Jake from State Farm.
Here's Jake from State Farm. I'm here to tell you about your extended car insurance. I don't think the guy wants to see a burnout.
I don't think so.
Doesn't seem like it.
Bye.
She's like, I'm going to pay my car fee. What the fuck? The fact he acknowledged you the whole time. That's so fucked up.
I know, that's what was like. I can see you acknowledging me, man. Come on. Burn up the brackets.
They probably would like it.
I gotta get fired up on the
Mm-hmm.
so I don't gotta pop up.
No bump bump.
No bump.
Just smooth.
Till I go.
Bump. Huh.
Also, I figured out I can do that on semi-gravel.
This needs to be kind of loose.
I can grip, but it's like,
It's 50-50.
I'll see you later.
Sounds good. See, I get the wave, it's Tyler doesn't. It's so bad. Because they know what my bike is. Everybody knows what the fucking Sur-Ron is. Tighten your legs up? Oh, we're gonna wait till after these people. I don't want to throw rocks at them. If you do it in front of people, then they bitch. See? Pardon?
I think I've been on this hill.
No? This is one of my favorites. I'll show you why. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it up it, but maybe we'll send it.
We shall see.
Maybe we'll send it.
Oh, here.
I think there's logs on the way over here. Yeah, just hold on the way you are and you'll be Gucci. Oh, God knows, buddy. Oh, maybe not. Holy shit. The fact we made it up, that's insane with two people. Because there was so much turns, I couldn't really like gas it up. I had to go kind of slow and then gas on the hill. So much single track in there. This is slippery. Somebody else has been through here on a dirt bike style bike. You can see the tracks up ahead. That's a dirt bike style bike. Same tire marks that I leave. This is another good hill climb, but that one gets steeper at the top, so I don't know whether you want it. The kids park over here, and then I'm going to show you a trail. We might be able to sneak up on turkeys. Just don't say anything as we get through here, because I've snuck up on them multiple times in here. Like 5 or 6 times with Alex. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's so fucking overgrown.